Hey there, Eric Holmlund here with a brand new application that is going to enable you to turn your skills, passions, and hobbies into profits right now during the pandemic and for years and years to come. You have got to see this. It's a little windy out here today, so come on inside the house to my home office and I will show you what this is all about. All right, this is my office. I've been working from home for about 20 years doing internet marketing. And during that time, I've taught thousands of others how to make money online too. My favorite business model that has made millions of dollars for me and many of my students is selling courses online. It can be as simple as using the knowledge that you already have, sharing that knowledge, and getting paid for it. Today, it's commonly known as e-learning, and it's predicted to soon be a $398 billion industry. So in this short video, I'll show you how to jump into that industry right now, starting today, even if you have no experience or online technical skills whatsoever, and grab your own piece of this rapidly growing industry. And I'll show you how to start, believe it or not, in a matter of minutes. This is totally newbie friendly. If you hadn't heard about e-learning by last year, you probably have now, because during the global pandemic, e-learning has exploded in popularity. Millions of people have been staying inside their homes more than usual, and during this time, people have been flocking to e-learning platforms to acquire new knowledge and skills. I'm talking about all kinds of people, everyone from students to professionals, stay-home moms to retirees. They're all taking classes, acquiring skills, learning new hobbies, and gaining knowledge to improve their health and other areas of their lives. Some of the top e-learning platforms have tens of millions of users, and the industry as a whole is growing by leaps and bounds. Now is the time to get into this industry and make a bunch of money, and set yourself up to keep making money for many years to come, because e-learning is here to stay. I've been teaching this for many years, but until now, it's still been a fairly difficult business to get into. But today, I have a breakthrough opportunity that is going to smash through all the barriers and let you get started without having to build a website, without having to become a marketing expert. And get this, you don't even have to create a course of your own to sell. Now, if you have a course to sell, or if you want to create one, that's great. This is absolutely a shortcut for selling it, but you don't have to have one to get started today. Not long ago, if you wanted to sell a course online, you basically had to build your own website. It took a lot of technical know-how and a lot of time to develop it, or a lot of money to have it built, not to mention the cost of the domain and the hosting and everything else that you need. Then you had to figure out how to get your course online and write a sales letter and all that good stuff. Then along came some e-learning platforms. Some of them are great, but they're not so great from the standpoint of building your own business. If you want to sell your course on one of those third-party platforms, you have to pay a monthly fee, and then you have to give them a cut of all your sales, and all your revenue is flowing through their company. Not only that, but you generally don't get your own leads, so it's not good for prospect list building. And those e-learning platforms are going to take your customers and sell them other stuff without paying you anything for it. So they're problematic if you want to have control of your business and build it for the long term. That's why we developed an e-learning platform specifically to overcome all of those obstacles. It's called Courserious. With Courserious, you can have your own e-learning business up and running without setting anything up. And you can create and sell courses on any topic in any niche in a matter of minutes. With Courserious, there are no monthly fees and no profit sharing or commission taken from your sales. In fact, the sales that you make go directly to your payment account. We're cutting out the middleman and letting you have all of your profits. You also get to keep your own leads and customers, and Courserious doesn't try to take them from you like those other platforms do. In fact, instead of throwing your courses into a big pot with everyone else, we've built it in such a way that you'll have your own custom-branded academy. So when web visitors go to your academy, they'll only see your courses, and you'll make all the profits from anything that you sell. This is totally newbie-friendly. If you want to see exactly how it works, just keep watching for a few more minutes, and I will show you an actual walkthrough of it right in this video. But not only have we made it the most newbie-friendly way to start selling your own courses online, we're also giving you the ability to start selling courses without even having to create one yourself. That's right. Today, when you join Courserious, you'll receive 100 done-for-you courses preloaded into your control panel that you can start selling immediately. These courses cover a wide range of topics, and all you have to do is set your own price and start making sales. You won't find this anywhere else. Before I jump into the demo, let me just give you a quick snapshot of what you're getting today. You're getting 100 done-for-you courses as a part of your membership. You're getting the course manager, the lesson manager, full payment integration, file uploading, SEO, the student panel for all of your students, that is your customers. You have a built-in support system. You get custom subdomains so you can have a custom branded academy of your own. You have hosting included for your entire academy. Analytics are included. The students have a dashboard, and you have a dashboard where you can view your students and communicate with them. You have social media sharing built in, student mailing built in, and a video player. The total value of this package is over $38,000. If you join right now during this incredible introductory offer, you can have all of that for a tiny one-time price. So if you're ready to claim your piece of the e-learning industry, go ahead and click the order button below. We have a 100% money-back guarantee, so you absolutely should go ahead and join and just see it for yourself, okay? All right, now I'm going to give you an on-screen demo so you can see exactly what this looks like and how easy it really is to start selling your own courses from your very own custom branded academy on Courserious. When you log in, you'll see a dashboard where you can manage your academies. You can either choose an academy to manage or you can add a new academy. Let's create a new academy. I'll call it Eric's Academy. You can choose a custom subdomain. In this case, we'll just say Eric. The Academy icon is optional. I went ahead and created a very basic one. It's just an E with a circle around it. And the Academy logo is also optional. I created a very basic one. It just says Eric's Academy with a rectangle around it. You don't have to be a graphic designer to make something like that, and yet it will work perfectly. We'll go ahead and click Submit. And my Academy has been created. Next, let's take a look at the categories. By default, we've created some categories for the instant products that come with your membership. You can also add your own new categories. I'm going to create a new category called Making Money Online. Now that I have a category to work with, I'm going to click on Courses. Your membership comes with some courses that are pre-configured to begin selling immediately. For example, if I click on this one here that says Content Marketing Revolution Full Training Guide, I'll view it on the Academy. And you can see it's basically ready to go. You can set your own price and begin selling it right away. That's an instant shortcut to your own library of products that you can begin selling. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a new course. Rather than blitz through with a fake course for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and add a real course, one that I actually sell. It's called the Arbitrage course. After giving it a title, you have the option of adding a short description, which I will do. And then you can add a full description. Now, you can be as short or as lengthy as you would like to be. The beauty of this type of e-learning platform is that you don't have to write a full-blown sales letter. You could simply write a short description with a couple of bullet points, and that's often enough to sell your course. And I think that's all I really need in order to sell this course. For the category, I'm going to go ahead and select that one that I just created, website building or the Making Money Online category. For the level, I'll leave it at beginner, and I'll click the Next button. Requirements are optional, but they are basically presented like bullet points. So I'm going to go ahead and say we need an internet connection. We'll click Next. The outcomes are also optional. We'll say, and so much more. All right, we'll click the Next. For pricing, you can make it free if you want to use it as a lead building tool, or you can set any price of your choice. Let's say this is a $97 course. I'm going to check to give it a discount, and we'll say the discounted price is $77. Next, you have the option of adding a course preview video to your sales page. I'll go ahead and grab a video that I have on YouTube, paste it in. You also have the option of adding a course thumbnail. We'll We'll go ahead and grab this image that I already have for this course. On the next page, you have the option of adding some keywords in a description for SEO purposes. I'll click Next, and then Publish and Activate. Now I need to add the course itself. So first I'm going to add a section, and we'll just call this the Arbicash course modules. You can add unlimited sections and then unlimited lessons or quizzes beneath each of those sections. I'm going to put all of my content within this one section. So I'm going to start by adding a lesson. This is the content of my course, which I have on my computer. The first module is actually a PDF file. So I'm going to select Document, click Next, and the title will be Module 1, the course. I'm going to browse for that document. You can add a description in the summary if you want to, and then click Add Lesson. Courserious will actually host that document for me, so I don't have to worry about uploading it or protecting it somewhere else. I'll go ahead and add the next lesson. That's the entire course, so I'm going to go ahead and click Finish and Update. It says Course updated successfully. Now under Actions, I can click to view this course on the Academy. And you can see here this course that I managed to set up in a matter of minutes. You have the title, the description, the bullet points, the curriculum, the requirements, and then the description. One thing I should have mentioned when we were writing the description is that that's a complete WYSIWYG editor. So you can also format this text, and you can also add your own pictures and videos to this area. Up here at the top, we have the course thumbnail, and if we click to view this video, it'll pull up that preview video that we added from YouTube.
Hey friend, Eric here. I hope you...
We can see the price that I created was $77, which is discounted from the regular price of $97. And viewers of this site can either add it to their wish list, buy it now, or add it to their cart. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like from the customer's perspective when they buy it. And now I'm a member of this course. As a customer, I can then give that course a rating, hopefully 5 stars out of 5, and write a review. I'll click Start Lesson, and it takes us to Module 1, which is that PDF download. If I were to come down to Module 2, it's that Excel spreadsheet download. The videos start in Module 5, so we'll click on that one. And you can see it embeds the video right here in their membership area. If I click back to Courses, it takes me back to my customer dashboard where I can see all of the courses that I've either enrolled in or purchased. The other thing I forgot to mention is that your custom subdomain will be consistent throughout the customer's experience. You can see here that the address is eric.courserious.com. That's the custom subdomain that I created when we set up this academy. So as you can see, the potential of this is tremendous, and in a matter of minutes, you truly can have your own entire academy on Courserious. Maybe you're wondering, how much money are you going to make with this? Well, that's a question that I can't answer specifically because I don't know what you're going to do with it. So you tell me, how much money can you make with your own e-learning academy where you can sell all kinds of courses? I'll say this, you can probably make enough money from one sale of one course to make your investment in Courserious today totally worthwhile. One sale. And you can use Courserious to make an unlimited number of sales. Again, this is the time to get into this business. The pool of potential customers is only increasing, and they're hungry for knowledge and information. This is also an opportunity to create a passive income stream because once you publish your course, you can sell it again and again without any extra effort or investment. Once again, the components of this platform are valued at over $38,000, and you get access to all of it for a tiny one-time fee today. Your investment, as small as it is totally risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. So go ahead and click the order button now. When you look at the value of everything that you're getting in Courserious, you can see that the value is massive. I mean, it's almost comical. We're talking thousands and thousands of dollars. But you can grab it today for an absolutely tiny price during this launch special. Go ahead and choose one of the two options below this video. You can choose between the basic plan or the best seller plan, depending on how big you want to grow your business. You know, we could easily be charging $997 or more for this membership because think about it. You could sell a big ticket course for $1,000 and make that much or more from just one student. So go ahead and click one of the order buttons below this video. As you've now seen, Courserious is the solution that is going to save you a lot of time and money while allowing you to immediately tap into the rapidly growing e-learning industry and start growing your own custom academy. This is a huge opportunity because there are millions of people out there actively looking to pay money for courses to acquire the knowledge and skills that they desire. You don't have to be a webmaster. You don't have to be a software programmer. You don't have to be a marketer. You don't have to be a graphic artist. I mean, if you have those skills, that's great. But if not, it's okay because you don't need any of those skills to do this. The cost of getting into this business right now through Courserious is about the lowest business startup cost you'll find anywhere. I mean, think about it. You don't have to go buy or rent some retail space and set up a shop. You don't even have to buy a new computer. With Courserious, you can literally be up and running in a matter of minutes. Yes, you can begin immediately, and you get to keep all of the money that you make. Courserious doesn't charge any royalties or ongoing fees. I mean, we probably should charge more because we could, but right now we're letting you join Courserious for a crazy low price. By grabbing it today during our launch special, you'll be getting in for the lowest price ever, and you'll have no monthly fees. As if all of that wasn't more than enough, we're even including a 30-day money-back guarantee on this. So now you've got nothing to risk, absolutely nothing. With as many assets and benefits that you're getting with Courserious, we are 100% confident that you're going to consider it the best investment you've ever made in your business. If you don't think so, if you don't see the value in it, then just ask for a refund within 30 days and we'll refund your purchase in full. If you sell just one course to one student, it's paid for itself. And you can grow your academy to thousands of students, unlimited students, in fact, with no additional fees from us. So go ahead and grab this offer to get access immediately. You've got absolutely nothing to lose and unlimited profit potential to gain. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and read the information on this page. And if you still have any questions after that, you can contact us at the bottom of the page. But if you've watched this far, I think you know that this is the deal of a lifetime, and I encourage you to take action and join right now. You'll see a timer on this page, and when it counts down to 0, the price will be going up big time, so don't wait. In fact, there's a good chance that we'll be switching over to a monthly subscription plan in the future, so just get in now for a tiny one-time price. Go ahead and join Courserious now, and we'll see you on the inside.